Welcome back YouTube, Futuristic here at Tech, and I have the ACEFAST Crystal T6 headphones. Headphones has been sent to me by Teresa from ACEFAST. Teresa, thank you very much, that's much appreciated. I cooperated with ACEFAST before. They sent me this ACEFAST 60 watts GAN charger, which is actually incredible and probably one of the best things you can buy with money, and also doubles as in 4K HDMI projector in case you have a switch or console, etc., or even hook up your phone to here and then to your TV, and you can check my video there. So again, I want to thank Teresa and ACEFAST for sending me the ACEFAST Crystal T6 product for review. What I'm gonna do right now in this video, guys, I'm gonna give you the whole unboxing experience. I'm gonna give you a bit of information what exactly is ACEFAST, and I do believe this is just a very interesting product, hence this is why it landed on my table. And if you're here for the first time, you might as well consider subscribing for my channel. I will also do a full review of these headphones and also compare them to some of the other headphones I'm using. This is here the Nothing Ear one. I do use this as one of my main daily drivers, and then of course also I'm a big fan of these beautiful Sony headphones. So all of these guys in this video, again, if you're not subscribed, change this now, buckle up, and let's start. The first thing that drew my attention to this product was actually the way it looks. Just take a look, and this is really stunning, guys. It's not very often that we see this form factor. It's very small apparently, and it does have here a display. The moment I saw it, I was kind of sold and I wanted to get my hands on. The moment I saw this, I liked it and I wanted to get this on my review table. Now what is very interesting is that you're gonna get those headphones in a few colors. So they have the ice blue, they have the modern gray, which is the version that I got because yeah, I'm modern, right? Then we have the pink lotus, we have a very classic sapphire blue, and then also the youth green. I really hope that I will like the design once I have the headphones in my hand, so let's start the unboxing experience. They come in a rather big box, and the only reason for this, I believe, is just ACEFAST being able to provide, I think, a premium, almost like a luxury unboxing experience. You're gonna understand why, just keep watching. What is inside the box? We apparently have the earbuds, we have the charging case, we have the Eartips, the USB-C cable, the silicone protective case, and a manual. What was the last time you bought some wireless headphones and they had a protective case? Because if you ask me, well, this here is my first time. We have the Bluetooth 5.0 logo there. We have the model name here, the Crystal T6, superior sound quality in a stylish clear case. We have the LED digital display that accurately displays of a case and each headset's battery level, which is really insane. And this is so useful, because remember guys, what you'll get usually on most of those headphones is just here, very small LED indicator. In the case of a Sony, it's a bit bigger, right? But it does not even come close to the information that you get here on the screen. 4 mics, noise cancellation for the clear voice, we have the USB charging case, headset working time 4 hours, and the charging case can charge a headset 4 times, which is actually not that bad. On this side here, we have an add on the touch control, touch sensor on both earbuds that allow you to answer calls or switch music without reaching to your phone. This is absolutely something I'm gonna test. Again, here we have the what's in the box, the after sales service. We have a short description here on everything that they support. So the Bluetooth version is 5.0, 10 meters transmission distance. Something very important, guys. See here, audio decoding protocol. They do have SBC and AAC, which is actually quite nice to see for headphones at this price range, which is about 30 to 40 USD. Headset battery 40 mAh. They can go for about like 4 hours, and their charging case is 500 mAh. The total working time is about 2 hours, the headset charging time about 1 hour, and they even have a waterproof rating of an IPX4. 18 months of warranty. All the nice fancy logo there, the silicone protective case, the one-step connection, audio connection of the headset to a previously connected phone after taking it from the charging case. This is really very convenient, and probably one of the best features is the looks. Superior clear sound in a stylish clear case. Those are all the things I'm gonna be looking to test in my full review, but now the unboxing experience, which I do believe, guys, you're gonna like it. So it goes from this, and by the way, here, see, the box has a magnet, so again, definitely not cheap. It goes from here, and you do something like this, boom. Now what about that, guys? In stylish clear case, again we have the LED digital display, the 4 mics, enjoy high quality calls, ACEFAST professionally tuned sound quality, and here we have the product itself, and take a look on that size. I want to compare it with the Nothing Ear one, which is rather in the small size category, and then boom, put next to it my Sony monster headphones. So right, size definitely matters. With these things, the smaller the better. And yeah, just see how this works. We have to peel that one here, right? Okay, oh wow. As I peel these guys, I'm able to reach out and just grab them. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the box aside a bit. Oh my god. This is really tiny, guys. I'm really surprised in a very good way, by the way. This here is the ACEFAST T6, guys. This here is the Nothing Ear, and yeah, if I put on my hand this Sony wireless buds, yeah, it's getting already too heavy. So I'm really amazed by the small size. It's probably about the size of an Apple AirPod. Never used them, but you can just see, guys, this really is tiny. They start blinking already, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna try to hook them to my phone, but before we do so, probably just show you the silicone protective case, because remember, there is also a case included in a box on its own. Bear one moment with me. Oops. Oh yeah, it's there, silicone, right? This is so weird, guys. I never used something like that, by the way, so I'm even not sure how this is supposed to be. Probably like this, because of course there is a port down below. Okay, here you go. Yeah, probably one of the smallest Android headsets stand here with the ACEFAST logo. We still have the charging cable and also the different ear tips. So, okay, we have a warranty card and also a manual. And whoa, all the ear tips completely sealed. Very professional, by the way. And of course you get the charging cable. Now I'm gonna put everything aside and start connecting those headphones to my Galaxy S22 Ultra. Alright, you can just see how tiny they are, and now I'm about to get those out of the way and try to pair the ACEFAST T6 with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I'm just gonna take them in my hand, I'm just gonna try to open them, and now I realize, by the way, you just peel them off like this, and this is really insane, guys. This almost look like not being real. So the box inside is actually almost like half opened, right? And this is probably why it's so small. You just put them like this, they snap very nicely with magnets, so see here, they're not really falling off. And I'm doing my best here, by the way, so it's about time to test them. They have this protection here, which I'm going to remove. And now I'm going to connect them to the box. Oh, okay. Jesus, this feels futuristic. We have an OK here, we have the battery sign, and this is crazy. R, the indication. Let's put the next one, boom, okay, now I have the left one. The display looks quite nice, by the way, and the viewing angles are great. Let's try to pair them to see how this process works. So I'm just going to try to scan for them. Okay, let me just see if I put them on the phone. I have NFC enabled. All right, let me just try to see the pairing instruction. Okay, getting device name. I think my phone realized that I have a new headphones, and I do have them right now, the ACEFAST Crystal T6. So I'm pairing them. Okay, you want to pair this? I won't. Connected for calls and audio and etc. 70% remaining. All right, let me just flip this in, guys. One more time. I'm gonna put them back. I pretend to not use them. All right, now they're disconnected. So let me try to put them in my head. I just want to see if they are going to auto connect. Okay, so connecting, boom, there it is, connected for calls and audio, and 70% of battery remaining. So I really hope that by now you have liked the unboxing experience and the video. And right now, let's get real. I'm gonna start my review. But before I jump into my full review, I just wanna do yet another size comparison. Take a look at these guys, the Huawei earbuds from my wife. Next to it, the Nothing Ear One, and then the bombastic Sony, which I even don't know how to place. So just take a look at this beauty. This can actually come twice into the size of the Sony one, almost 1.5 times in the Nothing Ear One, and it's also, guys, smaller than one of the smallest headphones that I used. This display here is just insane, all part of the full review, and if you're not subscribed by now, I encourage you strongly to do so. Alright, I've been playing with these headphones and I've been non-stop exchanging them with my ear one, as well also with my Sony devices and also with the Huawei headphones that I have, and I'm now ready with my review. Before I started, I want to address the design one more time. So it's a very small, very neat looking case. You just have the USB-C port on the back, you have the ACEFAST logo and some important information on the back, and the way you guys pull the headphones is just like this. So you pull them off, right, and then immediately this very beautiful display indicator starts working, so you can all the time monitor the battery level of your headphones. Now let's test the touch control of the headphones. I'm gonna play a song, guys, and now show you what you can do while you have the headphones in your head. So one tap on the left headphone will make the volume go down, right? See, one more time, it's very consistent, it does work quite nice. The same action with the right headphone will make the volume go up. What I don't like is the fact that you're not able to just slide your finger like on the ear one, but it's still very accurate. I think all the gestures are registered in a very nice and accurate way. Now let's see what we're able to do with a double tap. My prediction is that the song will stop, so a double tap on the left headphone will indeed pause the song. A double tap on the right headphone will make the song continue, double tap again on the right headphone and the song will stop. There is also a triple tap action. Double tap will stop the song, and by triple tapping the headphone it will start playing over. Now let's test the right headphone. Double tap will stop the song and a triple tap will actually skip to the next song. Honestly, I'm impressed. All my touches are registered in a very nice way, but there is more that you can do with the touch controls. If you hold it just for like 2 seconds and then release, you are going to be able to start your voice assistant. In my case, that's Bixby. Yeah, please don't judge, alright? I'm not using it, I just wanted to illustrate it's possible. One of the big differences between the headphones that are costing something like 30 to 40 USD dollars and the ones that are more expensive is the fact that the more expensive ones do have their own software that will actually allow you to use some custom equalizers. I'm showing you the example with the ear one. If I click here, I have an equalizer where I can choose the balance, the more treble, the more bass, and the voice. This is not available with the ACEFAST Crystal T6 just because they don't have a management app, but I do have a hack for you. If you do have a Samsung phone or a Xiaomi phone, any phone that does have their own equalizer, you are still going to be able to use it. What was impressive for me is the fact that the Crystal T6 support SBC and also AAC codecs. They are powered by a 6mm speaker size that is actually able to provide a very nice and very rich sound. Initially, I was a bit overwhelmed because when I was using them for the first time, my equalizer was just flattened out and the sound was not really coming right, and that's only because I'm always using like more bassy equalizers. But I created my own equalizer to pull up a bit the lows and the highs and to lower down a bit the mids. And at the end, guys, I have to tell you, I'm really impressed with the sound. Of course, that doesn't really mean that they can really blow away the Sony, but they were very, very close to these headphones. This is the Nothing Ear One, which does cost, yeah, quite a few more bucks. So the sound quality overall for me is very much acceptable. Just try to find some equalizer settings. There are also some very nice Android applications that will allow you to equalize your sound coming over the Bluetooth. It's now time for the microphone test. I'm recording the audio on this video using the microphones, the 4 mics on the ACEFAST Crystal T6. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you think? Is it okay? Is it acceptable? Can you understand clearly my voice, etc.? Now have in mind, I am right now in a very quiet environment, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to play some crowd noise to try to test also the ENC, the so-called noise cancellation, and then ask you guys the same question. Again, don't forget to put your comments down below. All right, I got my crowd behind me. As you can see, some people walking down the streets, traffic noises. So imagine I'm right now in the traffic and you're calling me. The question is, are you still able to understand me clearly? Is this acceptable or not? Listen to my voice as I'm speaking to you and let me know down below in the comments. The fit is nice, and I was very lucky to be able to just use the standard tips that came pre-included. Didn't really have to change. What I don't like a bit is the fact that the stem is a bit too large for my taste, but maybe this has to do with the additional mics that are inside and that are used to provide a good sound quality and also the ENC. Overall, they're very light, very comfortable. You can just press and touch. All the gestures are registered in a nice and accurate way. And the best thing, guys, the standard ear tips here do provide this additional isolation because you know they don't really have an active noise cancellation. If you put them good enough the way like I did, it will not hurt your ears or my ears in that case, and the standard ear tips will still provide a very good sound isolation from everything around you. In case you have an incoming call, one tap will answer it and a double tap will end the call. As simple as that. If you want to shut them down, just put them in the box and this is gonna be it. Also very important, when you want to pair them, it's usually recommended to just pull both headphones. The pair mode is going to be active for 4 or 5 minutes, so you have plenty of time to just go inside your connection settings, then go to your Bluetooth and make sure to connect. And don't forget, once you connect them, and you pull them off the box, they are going to reconnect automatically. As I'm approaching the end of the video, please allow me to do a recap. What are you getting for your money, for these $40 US? The ACEFAST Crystal T6 that comes with a very nice unboxing experience, I would say almost premium, very small size factor. They do also come with a free silicone protective case stamped with the ACEFAST logo, and one of the best perks of course is the design. So you get this very nice LED display that will always tell you how much battery you are left inside your headphones, and for me guys, the best perk is the size. The sound quality is acceptable, but because they don't really come with their own measurement app, you need to play around and use your phone's equalizer to make sure to get out the bass a bit and also get up the highs a bit. The voice quality, the microphones, I would say is close to decent as I was able to watch my video, and the ENC is doing a fairly nice job. Now they do not really have ANC, which is the active noise cancellation, but the ENC is still able to filter out your voice so that when somebody calls you and you're in a crowd, they should still be able to understand you. They do come with all these fancy colors. They do have also the proper ear tips inside. They do have also a manual. You also get a USB-C cable, and I do believe that for this price tag they are quite nice. Guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have some feedbacks or comments, please let me know down below. There is also a link that you can use in my video description and get this product. I just want to thank ACEFAST and Teresa one more time for sending me this product. That's again the second product I'm getting from ACEFAST, and I'm really happy to start a long-term cooperation. So if you have liked the video, you know what to do. Please, you and your family, stay safe until we meet in one of my next videos. And with that said, VST over and bye. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. 'Cause I feel like taking